now we can make the actor rotate when it faces that function. As you can see, it's going left, right, down, up, but we want it to face the direction it's going. And we don't want to rotate the whole actor. We want to rotate the cube, because if we rotate the whole actor, it's gonna cause a never-ending loop. And we're purposely gonna make it actually, just to show you. So we say set actor rotation. So if it's moving forward, it's not rotating. If it's moving backwards, it's going 180. So moving forward and now moving backwards. Oh man, it's like disorienting, and it doesn't really do the job, I guess you can say. I mean, it does, but it rotates everything and messes everything up. It's bad. We're not gonna do that. You're gonna do you're gonna get a cube and you're gonna say set rotation, and it has to be set world rotation. So press on your cube. Actually, I'll just call this cone, and you see right now it's at -90. So copy that, move forward, put this in here. And right now it's at 0. We're gonna rotate, we're gonna rotate it over the z-axis. So Control C, go to move backwards. By the way, this is a process you kind of have to do step by step. So the first step is you set the world rotation, you check its initial rotation right now, you take whatever degrees there is here and you put it on here, and then that function itself you copy it and then you paste it. You don't just make a new set world rotation, because if you do that, you're gonna end up missing the degrees, and you're gonna come up with errors and you'll just be confused. So keep in mind to follow that procedure. I'll write it down one more time so you guys can know what's up. So step by step. Oops. Now let's go to 40. Damn it. So first step, and that's for anything, it's not just rotation. So call function rotation or location. Second step, copy initial values. Third step, copy modify function with initial values. It's just very good practice, that's all it is. So move forward, move backwards, move right. So right should be 90 degrees. And then move left. Can be either -90 or 270. So let's see what we did. And it looks good. The only problem is if you go diagonally, it's just glitching. But we'll fix that later on.